Hello, I'm Anna. Welcome back to our channel. Learning English should be simple, fun, and easy.
Hello, I'm David. Oh, hi everyone. I'm so excited to be here today.
It really is. Today's lesson is super powerful. It can completely change how beginners learn English.
That sounds amazing. What exactly are we going to cover, Anna?
It's called the Ultimate English Speaking Blueprint for Beginners. Think of it as your roadmap, a step-by-step plan to speak English faster, easier, and with confidence.
A blueprint, like a treasure map.
Exactly. But instead of gold, the treasure is English fluency. No more guessing what to study or wasting time on random words.
Oh, I love that. Beginners often feel lost. A roadmap makes it so much easier.
Yes, many learners waste time watching random videos, memorizing words they never use, or waiting for perfect English.
Yes, the perfection trap. Waiting to be perfect means you'll never start.
Exactly. This blueprint focuses on practical steps you can start today, anywhere, anytime.
Oh, I like that. Step by step is always easier.
Before we start, a quick reminder. Subscribe, like, and share this video. It helps us create more helpful lessons and helps learners worldwide.
Yes, and thanks for supporting us.
Step 1 is listening. You must hear English clearly before you can speak it.
Oh, like babies. They listen first, then speak.
Exactly. Beginners should listen to short English clips every day. Even a few minutes works wonders.
How short? 1 hour? 2 hours?
No, just 30 seconds to 1 minute. Short clips repeated often are very effective.
Oh, that's easy. And subtitles help, right?
Yes. Watch the same clip 2 to 3 times. Your brain connects sounds with words.
Repetition is magic.
Here's a mini story. My friend Sarah started listening to English podcasts just 2 minutes a day. After a month, she could understand short sentences without translating.
Wow, just 2 minutes a day? That's amazing.
Yes, and pick topics you enjoy. Music, sports, cooking, anything you like. Learning is faster when it's fun.
Oh, that's great. I always learn faster when it's about football.
Also, listen actively. Don't just hear the words, notice pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation.
That's interesting. So even small clips teach pronunciation.
Exactly. And here's a small joke. Why did the beginner English learner sit next to the radio?
Why?
Because he wanted to catch all the words.
Oh, that's funny. What's the next step?
Step 2 is self-talk, speaking to yourself in English.
One of my favorites. I do this every day. I am walking. I am eating breakfast.
Perfect. Describe your daily actions in short sentences. Even 30 seconds a day is helpful.
It forces my brain to think in English, not translate.
Yes, and it builds confidence because you're speaking without fear.
Oh, I love that. Beginners can practice anywhere. Kitchen, walking, even in the shower.
Exactly. And repeat phrases you hear during listening practice. Combining listening plus self-talk speeds learning.
I see. So it's like training your brain to think in English naturally.
Yes, And don't worry about mistakes. They are your best teachers.
Yes. Better to try and learn than wait for perfect English.
Here's a mini story. I used to speak to myself while cooking. One day, my dog barked, and I said, "I am making dinner," and laughed.
That's so cute. Even pets can be your audience.
Exactly. Self-talk is fun and practical.
Step 3 is vocabulary, but not random words. Learn expressions you actually use in daily life.
Oh, not fish names or garage tools, right? Exactly. Focus on phrases like, "I need a break," "I'm tired," "One moment, please," "Can you help me?"
Real life English. The English you use today.
Yes. Save them in your phone or notebook. Repeat them in self-talk.
That makes sense. Practice makes it natural.
Here's a mini joke. Why did the English learner bring a ladder to class?
Why?
Because he wanted to reach the high words.
Oh, that's funny.
Also, practice expressions in real situations. For example, at a cafe, "Can I have a coffee, please?" Or, "I'm ready to order."
Wow. Real life practice is much better than just memorizing. Step 4. Use sentence frames.
I love sentence frames.
Yes, a sentence frame is a simple structure you can finish in many ways.
Examples?
Try these. I usually. I like to. I'm going to. I want to.
Oh, I'll try. I usually wake up early. I usually drink tea. I usually check my phone. I usually listen to English. Perfect. See how quick that was?
It's like building with Lego. Same shape, different things.
Exactly. Using frames builds grammar naturally. You don't need grammar books at this stage.
Oh, that's amazing.
Here's a small story. My student Ravi used frames to describe his daily routine. 1 week later, he could tell a story about his day confidently.
Wow, that's inspiring.
Yes, you can mix frames with expressions you learned. For example, "I want to take a break," or "I'm going to watch a video."
It's like mixing Lego blocks and making new sentences. And the final step?
Step 5 is reading out loud for 5 to 10 minutes daily.
Oh, yes, mouth exercise.
Yes, reading out loud trains your tongue, lips, and vocal muscles to produce English sounds.
What if I make mistakes?
Doesn't matter. Flow is more important than perfection. Keep going.
I love this. Simple, powerful, and anyone can do it.
Here's a mini story. I read a short comic out loud every morning. My neighbor laughed at my dramatic voices, but it really improved my pronunciation.
That's so relatable. I would do the same.
And the best part is, you don't need a classroom. You don't need perfect English. Just start.
Oh, yes. Start small, start today, start simple, but start.
Now, we want to hear from you. Which step will you try first? Self-talk, reading out loud, watching short videos?
Tell us in the comments. Every small step counts.
If you found this helpful, subscribe and click the bell icon.
And give the video a like. It makes us very happy.
Thank you for learning with us.
Believe in yourself. You can do this.
See you in the next episode.